Stop rolling the dice when it comes to knowing if disassociated persons are attempting to enter your casino. Even from your blacklist of people banned from engaging in criminal activity related to gambling. Remember, fines can be extremely high, even reaching $250,000. It is your duty of care and responsibility of your casino license, says the Gaming Commission. Security staff cannot remember the list or be expected to. 98% of all people cannot remember faces. Entrical Eyes does. Entrical assists you on who is on your watch list with facial recognition at your entrances. No, you do not record anybody. It's a comparison to the photographs of the banned individuals. When the Entrical Eyes solution is triggered, security is informed in milliseconds to take action and stop the individuals. Entrical Eyes is just one of the security actions we bring to the casino industry. Contact us direct while at G2E in Las Vegas. Call 225-325-7700. Let's meet.